Morning, I'm Smithy, this is a Contiki, and I've got a question for you. I've just been to McDonald's and it's very early in the morning. Got a cup holder because Sue's had hers. So we've got a McDonald's breakfast hash brown and a breakfast bun. So let's see what's in it. Cheese on the bottom, ham patty, egg and an English muffin. Right? Sorry, I hope you can see all that. The question is, I'm going to sit and eat this, right? But can I make that in here? Let's find out. I've put the heating on. Oh, it's cold. Right, let's get cracking. You know the ingredients. English muffin, rapeseed oil, English butter. I think the cheapest cheese you can get hold of, because you can't taste McDonald's cheese. So I think it's the cheapest they've got. You can't taste McDonald's cheese, so I think it's the cheapest they can get hold of. So that was about 4p at Asda. I'll say 4p, about 50 pence. Right, pan on. Oil. I don't know what oil McDonald's are using, but I would imagine if they're using it all day, it's not the best stuff. Anyway. Let's warm the oil up a little bit. So, we'll open the cheese, we'll get prepared. You're giving the game away, stop it. So I want 2 of them. Right, the other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to toast the muffins. So I'm pretty certain Asda's are toasted. Make sure that's not getting too hot. Here's my glasses. Hope you can see everything. Right, we're going to toast the muffin. Watch my thumb. That cooked nicely. Yeah, so we'll toast the muffin and then we can get some English butter melted on it. Right, grill on. Here's the bin. Grill that one. That's lit. Are you lit? Yeah. Now let's get the muffins toasted. I'll keep them in pairs, then I know which is the top and which is the bottom. Oh. Let's get them grilled. Right, so I couldn't get round patties, I got square ones, so it's the same thing. Let's get them on. Or in. Right, hash brown. Frozen hash browns, because that's what they use. Everything they get's all frozen, so we'll see if we can't recreate what they're doing. How do we get lights on here? There we go. Let's show you. There we go. I don't know if you'll be able to see under there, but that's the muffins toasting nicely. There we go, there's all the ingredients. Right, now the twist to this is we have to get round eggs. How we're going to get round eggs. So I've come up with this. Might work, might not. We'll soon find out. You know, I should have cut that on the cutting. I put a cutting board there as well. Right, about there. Oh god. Right. So I want 2 rings, don't I? I'm going to get 2 rings. I'm not buying rings. I'm going to make them. I'm going to make them. Tell you what, you learn some stuff on here, don't you? Huh? just get rid of that one ring if I can. Right, so I now need 2 rings. 1. 2. So, that's my rings. Right, stuff to turn it over with. Right, I've got nothing in here that's made of wood to turn them over. Sorry. Oh, they're doing nicely though. Right, quick muffins. They're toasting. Turn them over. So I'm not going to put them back in for a minute. Put them there because they're going to cook too quick. Just turn it down a bit, I don't want it to cook too quick. It's going to be a nice breakfast, isn't it? All cooked in the van. Right, now what we've got to do is get the egg in. So let's shift them over there. These are all cooked now. I just want to keep them warm. So move it like that. Let's get the, I think we'll turn it down a little bit. Right. Oh, it's worked, it's worked. Hey, there it is, it's worked. How good's that? Here, I'll show you. We're going to get round eggs. Let me turn the heater off. Don't need the heater on now. We're going to get round eggs. How's that? Can you still see? Right, that plate wants washing. There's my glasses. So, I can't now remember which way around. Oh, muffin, quick. Oh, muffins. Right, I'll warm them up on the other side. I can't remember. Yeah, it was it cheese on the bottom, then the pate, or the pork. I don't like pork, but I like bacon. I can eat this type of pork, but I don't like pork chops and that. It's mad, that, isn't it? Anyway, so an egg goes on last, doesn't it? So we can get everything. We can get it ready then. Right. So bear with me. So we did these in sections. That's the top and bottom, top and bottom. Right. So I'm hoping I won't shut the grill because I want to just cook them. We'll leave the butter melting for a minute. Right. I don't know if McDonald's are using real English butter, but that's what I like. But anyway, the thing is to find out if we can cook a McDonald's breakfast in the van. I want to get very close to it. Right. Come on, eggs, so you're going to cook. I bet the onion's keeping it cold. Mind you, metal will do the same, won't it? Metal will keep it cold. Anyway. Let's get them buttered. You can see that butter just melting on there. Beautiful. Do you know, if it's better than theirs, I should, well, you can't paint it, it's theirs, but I could make SMITHY'S, eh? How would that be? SMITHY'S in the van. Right, so we want cheese on next, don't we? Right, cheese. Which is the bottom? That's the bottom. So cheese. cheese. That's the bottom. Right, pate, or whatever you call it. Pork thing. 1, 2. Turn them over. Oh, look at the eggs. Let me show you the eggs. Let's get rid of the rubbish. Look at the eggs. It's working. I knew it would work. You like that? Well, yeah, I'm here. There you go. So, well, it's working. So, do I flick the egg over? Yeah, I'll flick it over because where's all my stuff gone, Sue? Sue's nicking all my stuff out of here. Well, I'll just nick that while I cook something. So, sorry about the metal on the thing. That's one egg turned. There we are, right. That needs washing. So they're cooking now. So in a minute I should be able to cut round rings out, shouldn't I? Just turn the hash browns over. Right. Yeah, that should be alright. Let's see if I can separate it from the onion. It is a sharp knife this, so it helps. Can we take the onion away? There we go. Right, you come here. Now McDonald's eggs are not runny, right? So mine are not going to be runny. Because I wouldn't like to be Sue and eat a bun and the egg goes all over. Well, I wouldn't like to be me if Sue eats an egg and the egg goes all over her. Right? And if you're married to Sue, you'd understand. Right, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. We've got almost round eggs. Right, so they can go on the plate, can't they? Hash browns are done. Right? Hash brown. Beautiful. I love hash browns. Right, just the eggs now. Let's give them another minute. I think they're done. Right, let's get an egg on. One, 2. Right, have I turned everything off yet? That can be shut now, it's cold, isn't it? No, I'll leave it open a bit. Right. Look at that. You see that? So do you reckon I've cooked McDonald's in the van? Now then, the proof is in the taste. Let's find out. English butter dripping from the English muffin. So my meat is more sausagey than McDonald's, but the cheese is about the same. An egg's an egg, a muffin's a muffin. Oh, that's hot. Exactly the same hash brown. So there you go. I've cooked a McDonald's breakfast in this van. I knew I could. Hey, I'm Smithy. I'm going to eat that. I'm going to give Sue hers. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Be very, very lucky. I'll see you soon.